How to fix Steam stuck on allocating disk space on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help you fix Steam stuck on allocating disk space error on Windows 10. 1. Restart the computer. 2. Run Steam client as administrator. 3. Clear Steam download cache. 4. Change download server via the download region. 5. Backup then delete everything except the Steam apps folder and the steam.exe executable file from the default Steam installation directory, such as c:/program files, x86/steam. 6. Temporarily disable Windows Defender firewall. 7. Stop overclocking, if applicable.